In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude null values from the running total in Tableau. A running total can be a powerful tool in data visualization, as it allows you to understand trends over time by cumulatively adding up values. However, null values can sometimes interfere with this process, skewing your insights. Let's dive into how you can manage this in your Tableau dashboard. First things first, you'll need to open the Tableau Public app on your computer. Tableau Public is a fantastic free tool for data visualization and offers many features to build insightful dashboards. Once you have it up and running, the next step is to access your worksheet. Make sure you have the data source loaded and are looking at the dataset where you plan to work with running totals. Now begin by dragging the order date field to the filter shelf. It's important to filter your data to focus on the specific time frame you are interested in analyzing. After setting your filter, bring the order date field again onto the column shelf. When you do this, you want to change the date field setting to exact date so that each date is treated as a discrete unit rather than being aggregated by default. Moving on, drag the sales field to the rows shelf. This step starts building the basic structure of your visualization, laying the foundation for the running total calculation. For more clarity, drag the sales field to the rows shelf a second time. This gives you the setup needed to apply different calculations to different instances of the sales data. Now click on the drop-down arrow on the second sales field pill. Here, select Quick Table Calculation, and then choose Running Total from the options. This command tells Tableau to calculate a running total, giving you a cumulative sum over the date range you established earlier. Next, you'll need to create a calculated field to refine the running total to exclude null values. Go to the Analysis menu and select Create Calculated Field. In the dialog that appears, name this field something intuitive, like Running Sum Up to Today. This naming makes it easy to identify in your worksheet. In the formula editor that appears, type in your query. This computed field will define how null values should be handled, typically by using conditional logic to exclude them from the running sum. Once your query is complete, click OK to create your calculated field. Finally, drag this newly created field onto the rows shelf, replacing the initial sales field. This placement ensures your cumulative total visualizes without the null values interfering. Now check your visualization to confirm that the running total reflects the changes correctly. You've successfully created a running total that excludes nulls, giving you a cleaner, more accurate data representation. Enjoy discovering insights with your improved analytics dashboard.